To do the cloning, you will need a micro SD. First, you will need to remove everything that is connected to your Raspberry Pi. Any external adapter like a USB or hard drive. Open the tool, this one over here, and take a note of the micro SD card that is on your Raspberry Pi. Plug the additional micro SD. You come to the system again, and you will see over here, this source is the one that you took a note, and the destination is this one over here. Before was not there, now it's shown over here. Then click here, and it will ask you if you want to continue, and you click yes. It will take probably 15 to 20 minutes to complete, and then it will be all right. After the imaging is complete, you can turn off your Raspberry Pi and swap the micro SD card, and you will see that it's exactly the same system. So that's the way that you do the cloning or a copy of your existing Raspberry Pi. Remember that the side of the card has to be the same. Both cards have to have the same capacity. In my case, both of them are 128. So remember that they have to be the same size. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and I'll see you in the next video.